Each day, billions of files are being transferred across the internet. All of them contain sensitive information. A potential security threat can result in costly revenue and intellectual loss, reputational damage, and other issues. Due to these probable threats, businesses started to implement data security solutions and protection policies to keep internal data safe. However, it might be a whole different story when businesses are exchanging data across the internet. We're doing everything to keep our data secure, but have we gone far enough? Introducing C2 Transfer, our secure file transfer solution integrated with military-grade encryption. The data you send is encrypted before it leaves your device until it's decrypted by the recipient's device. By using one-time password, only you and the recipient have access to the file. When companies send a document, the phone number or email of the recipients should be added to grant file access. After receiving a link, the customers will be asked to verify their identity by entering the one-time password to access the files. This process significantly reduces the risk of sending a classified document to a wrong person, and the recipient is not required to have a C2 Transfer account. To take data security to the next level, C2 Transfer allows you to set a link expiration date to maximize data protection. With the built-in watermark feature, claiming ownership of your file can now be done in seconds. We also prioritize data obtained from an external source. Using the file request feature, companies are now able to request and safely receive confidential files from their clients. Modern and simplified interface makes it possible for your team to navigate and manage effortlessly. Secure your transfers to your authorized target. Get started with C2 Transfer.